Welcome back. Now in this video we are going to go to our insert menu and we're going to work with the hyperlinks. And if you go to one of your slides and you want to take one of your pieces of text or maybe even an image and you want to create a hyperlink from that text or that image to another website or place inside of your document, you can do that. And where you're going to go is you're going to go to your insert command. You're going to go and you're going to click link. And then PowerPoint is going to give you four choices. Now, the first choice they're going to give you is that you can then link to an existing file or a web page. So what we can do is we can place a web page in this address. Now for the sake of this video, we're going to write in google.com. And you'll see Google written in there, and you're then going to click OK. That means then when you get to this place inside of your presentation and you click on that part, you will then be taken to the website. So for example, let's go to the slideshow view. We'll go from this current slide. We will change the display settings. And you'll see here that if we were presenting and we were using our computer, we can hover over this link in our presentation and we can click this link and be taken to google.com, and you'll see that it says that's where it's going to take us there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to hit the escape key. That's going to bring us back to our presentation. Now what we can also do is we can also link differently. So if we go back to our insert command and we click the link button, you'll notice there that the address still says google.com. So let's take that out currently. And then what we're going to do is we're going to now link to another place in the document. And what we can do is we can link from this line in our presentation to a different slide. So for example, if we want to link to slide number 10 and we click OK, what's going to happen then is then when we click this link in our presentation, that's going to take us to slide 10. So let's go ahead and go to our slideshow. Let's link from the current slide. Let's change our display settings to slideshow view. And then we're going to hover over this area. And now when we click this link, it should take us to a different slide, and that's what it does. So we're now going to click the escape button. We're going to go back to our presentation. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to that slide. We're going to go to the insert menu. We're now going to highlight the line again. We're going to click the link. And now what we're going to do is we're going to click email address. So now we're going to click email address. We're going to write in here the email address that we want this link to take us to. And we're going to click OK. So we're going to go back to our slideshow. We're going to go from the current slide. We're going to now swap out the presenter view. We're going to hover over this, and you'll see that there is a screen tip that says we're going to send an email. So let's go ahead and click this link. And what you'll see here is your default email program will open up. You'll have an email from you to the person that we specified in the PowerPoint presentation, along with the subject line. So now what we'll do is we'll hit escape. We'll now leave this highlighted, but we're going to go back to our insert view. And we're going to now click the hyperlink. And now we're going to click create new document. We're going to give this new document a name. Now we can decide to edit the document later or now. We're going to leave now. And you'll see now that our document, PowerPoint test, is now open. We can then add in our new slide. We have a new slide ready, which we can now save. We can then close this document because when we hover over the document, it's going to open up. So now we're going to go to our slideshow view. We're now going to go from our current slide. We're going to switch over to our slideshow view. And now we're going to hover over this link. That's going to open up into a new document. Now Microsoft PowerPoint is going to give us a security notice. We're going to say yes, we want to continue. And then our new document opens up. So now what we can do is we can click escape, and that'll bring us back to our document, and we can go back to our insert menu. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.